sobrang daming tao dito. Kung galing kay Senado Square, dito kayo dadating. And then, right in front is the ruins. So there are two spots here where you can get a good photo of the ruins. Either go to the right, there's a park over there, or you go here, this way, to the left, that's at Avesa. So that's where you see the Arabica coffee shop. And guys, sobrang daming tao. As I was saying guys, so eto yung ruins of St. Paul. So there's a park doon sa side na yon. That's a good place to get a photo of the ruins. Magandang vista yon. Or, kita nyo itong daan na to. This road. Go up there and there's another good photo spot there. You don't need to be among this crowd. Get a good photo of the ruins.